indicator, bro. Have a hard look in the mirror, brother. Anyways, guys, welcome to the channel. Drama's there. Bit of road debris. Had to take up 2 lanes, and if you know that roundabout, you pretty much got to do it anyway, or else someone will rip into your cab. And then we have red P platers. If you want to go through the roundabout, no indicator. So no indicator means I will cut you off. The driver was laughing as well, so he knew he was in the wrong there. Anyways, guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new around here, like, subscribe, comment, and if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. Thanks for coming back. I hope you're enjoying the content, guys. We just stopped over at Georgie's Cafe, Somerville Road. Gun coffees, bacon and egg rolls, hash browns, everything. They do an immaculate job of making them. And we are currently en route to our delivery location in Laverton North. Got a full load of freezer on. And this place we're going to, you can either be on dock for 1 hour, nice and easy, they'll unload you straight away, or you'll be there for like 5 hours. When you're on this site, there is no sense of urgency. It is just, I don't know, they're just busy inside. I don't know how warehouses work. I've never worked as like a warehouse guy on a forklift, whatever, so I can't really have a say in what they do back there. All I know is I go in there, open the door, take my load restraint out, keys on the wall, and walk out. They close the dock when they're done, the office, paperwork, and you're good to go. So there's a process to it. I'm unsure of how it works over there, but I do know some days you are there for hours. Take a guess in the comments where we're heading. There's a couple of viewers, subscribers that watch my videos that are around Laverton North. And we can play a fun guessing game of where am I going today. My favourite cafe here, Kimmy's. Best cafe in the area. They do killer banh mi's, whatever you call them, Vietnamese pork rolls. I get it with the chicken though. I'm not a big fan of pork, hey. Breakfast, they also do sausage muffins, sausage and egg. No. Yeah, sausage and egg muffins. Not many cafes do sausage and egg muffins, surprisingly. They are my favourite. I'd rather those over bacon and egg any day. No indicators were optional. Bro ran out of blinker fluid. Bro ran out of blinker fluid. Normally, guys, I'm a coffee a day person. Sometimes I can go a couple of days without coffee. All depends, I suppose. But my favorite place to go currently to get coffee is any Shell Express Coles servo. They have the chocolate powder, put that on the bottom, put in your coffee, whatever, and then top it up again at the top. And they're pretty cheap, those ones. You get a large one for like $3.50. Beat spending $5 a day. And I reckon it tastes, if not the same, as a normal barista coffee. Tastes a little bit better. I just like how you can put unlimited chocolate and no one cares. And you make it yourself. Aren't sure of the weight on this load. I'm guessing anywhere around 40 ton. She pulls pretty good. If you saw on the news the other day, a Ford Raptor Ranger and a couple other cars got in a fatal accident up in this intersection that we're approaching now. Very close to home. Fatal. The Raptor was unrecognisable. And we have a truckie pulled over. Not ideal. Highway patrol. Just doing their job, I suppose. Hopefully it's just a normal checkup, everything runs smoothly. Yeah, so this intersection that we just went through, I'm pretty sure it was that one. Three, two, one. Alrighty guys, we're almost there. Nice and easy local job. You may ask yourself, do you get bored of driving locally? The answer is no. I do like driving. I wouldn't do interstate. I feel like interstate is boring. Having a brake in the turning lane, upper. Yeah, I don't think I could do interstate. I feel like me driving more than 4 hours at a time ain't where it's at for me personally. I don't think I want to do it. I'd rather be home every day, just drive a couple hours here and there. I don't know, we'll see what happens in the future, but for now, I love local. Nice and easy. Kick back, relax. Pick up, drop off loads, keeps you fit. There is zero negatives to it. And this is our side here. It looks a bit busy, so we'll just park up here. Hazards on. We'll go see him in the office, ask for a doc, and we'll be back shortly. Alrighty guys, we just talked to the office staff. They allocated us a dock 7, 8 or 9. We went for a walk because you can't see from here. Dock 9's free. So we just got to wait for old mate in the double to back onto door 1. And then you can swing in, go to door number 9 and get this load unloaded. Let's go. Alright, here's our dock number 9. Got to crack the doors. normally open them on the inside. Oh, since we're here anyway. Run out a hill. And there we go. Happy days. Alrighty guys, this is the video. We're still on dock waiting. This will be us for the next couple hours, I'm guessing. It's been already half an hour, they still haven't touched the load. You know, like a washing machine just gone everywhere with the forklifts inside, you know he's there. So now we just chill out, have lunch, go to the bathroom, watch a movie, scroll TikTok, fill in paperwork. You can legit do anything you want on these sites because you're not allowed to be in there anyways unless you have to do your load restraint. But these loads, they're full loads, they only have bars at the front and bars right at the front. So there's nothing else to do besides wait. Transport is a game of waiting. If you love waiting, this job's for you. If you have ADHD and you can't sit still, go do something else, this ain't for you. But if you're just a chill guy that loves to relax a bit here and there, join the refrigerated transport game, you'll love every minute of it. So this is us for the next couple hours. Ring the office, tell them, hey, there's delays. But they already know there's delays because this site, we come here every day and it always takes forever. So yeah, this is us. If you're liking the content guys, like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend. All comments are appreciated. Bag out the gear stick, this is how it is. Everyone has their own personal preferences. For me, as long as it's not an auto, I don't care. I don't think I could drive an auto truck. Give me a manual car, I'm running away. Manual trucks, auto cars for dailies are the go. If I missed anything else, let me know. But for now, I reckon this is the video guys, and we'll see you guys in a bit.